Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Just wanted to show the next video in this little series of unboxings. So you guys are going to think that I'm being sponsored by Corsair or something because of the sheer volume. I'm just going to let you know I'm not. I'm not getting anything for free from them. They're not giving me anything. They're not paying me for anything. Just happened to purchase some items, and these are the items that I got. These came before the little break that I had to take for the trips that I was doing. So this here is the MM300 mouse pad. So this one here will replace my MM100, I believe it was, that came with the Corsair Essentials kit. Just wanted to go ahead and show you all what you get for this package. There we go. Alright, so you open up the little kit. Trying not to tear it up too much. There we go. And so this here, this is the MM300 or MM300 mouse pad. I'm going to take a wild stab in the dark and say that it's because it's 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters, but I'll double check that later. But yeah, this right here is what you get when you order the MM300 mouse pad. So anyway, just remember, if you like our content, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date, and as always, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the products that I review, what you'd like to see in the future, any questions you have about me or my family or my channel or my experience. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.